Hello everyone, my name is Mireille and I'm a personal trainer and I'm going to be working out with you all throughout this month. I'm so excited to be starting this workout challenge with VITAE and we have so many amazing workouts coming out for you guys, starting with today's booty and legs workout. This workout is going to be about 20 minutes long. It is suited for beginner to intermediate, but I'm going to be showing modifications all throughout the workout. You don't need any equipment besides your mat because we are going to be laying on our backs, and a water bottle to hydrate all throughout the workout. We are going to start with a quick warm-up in just a few seconds and then get right into the workout. Alright guys, let's start this warm-up by getting down on our knees. We are going to stretch our hip flexor. So when you're doing this, you really want to tuck your pelvic in or else you won't feel the stretch. If you're just like that, you might be like, oh, where am I supposed to stretch? This muscle right here, you're supposed to feel stretch. So you really want to tuck your pelvic in. You can also go down into a stretch for 2 seconds, hold, and back up. We're going to switch sides. Down into it, hold. Moving on, we are gonna get into a single leg frog stretch. So we're gonna get on one knee and put the leg on the side like this. Switching sides. Stretching is so important, guys, and way too often we skip it, but I personally saw such a difference when I started really taking stretching more seriously into my workout routine. Now we're going to activate our glutes by doing some fire hydrants. Get down on your knees and open up the leg. You really want to keep your core nice and tight, so this is going to activate our glutes but also our core. You don't want to be opening to the side, you really want to keep your hips as square as possible. Switch sides. Take your time with these, we're not rushing. All right, for our next stretch, we're going to be doing an inchworm walkout with a runner stretch. So you bring in your leg to the side, opening up, other side, opening up. Then when you come back up, you're gonna do 5 squats. 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep doing that while I demonstrate what's coming up for first circuit. First circuit is going to be some clamshells, some elevated clamshells. So you're going to get down on your hip, lift up. If that's too much, you're doing regular clamshells on the side, just opening with your glute. Then on the same side, we're going straight into a single leg glute bridge. So we're going to do on the one leg and then move on to the next leg, and that's our circuit. All right guys, we are starting our first circuit in 15 seconds. Get ready, get on your side. Starting now. Make sure you keep your core nice and tight when you're doing these. Just lifting with your glutes. This is the more advanced version, but like I said, regular clamshells like this are totally fine. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Going straight into the single leg glute bridge. On the same side, left side. Again, keeping your core nice and tight. You don't want to be arcing your back too much. Try and keep it nice and straight. And we move on to the next leg. I'm going to switch to this side so you can still see me. You got 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Straight into the single leg glute bridge. Again, when you get back, gets on the ground, try to keep it as flat as possible. Right now I'm struggling a little bit because my mic is in the way. 3, 2, 1. Whew. We are resting for 30 and then we are doing the second round of this circuit. So grab a sip of water, chill, and then we get right back into it. All right, get ready. Starting with the left side again. 3, 2, 1. This is our second time doing this now. We know the moves. We know what we gotta do. So you can move with a bit more certainty, hopefully. Come on, keep pushing. Moving on to single leg glute bridge. Hold it, you have 10 seconds to go. Get right onto the other side. And we clamshell. This is a great move to do when we have no equipment. Great move to tone our booty at home. Switching. Hold it, guys. We are almost done with our second round of the circuit. Three, 2, 1. Woo! And we rest. We got one more round of these and then we are done with circuit 1. We are starting again in 10 seconds. Get ready. Three, 2, 1. This is our last time doing these. So if you've been doing the regular clamshells, you can try and see if you can do the advanced ones this time. But if not, no worries at all. You can always come back to this workout later and redo it and see how you're evolving. You got 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. We switch. Last time doing this single leg glute bridge on the left side. Let's go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. And we get onto the right side. Come on guys, both butt cheeks should be on fire by now. And if not, what are you doing? I'm just kidding. You got 10 seconds to go. And we get onto our back for the single leg glute bridge. 3, 2, 1. Almost done with the first circuit of the first workout of the challenge. Come on. Hold it, hold it. 3, 2, 1. All right guys, you've got 30 seconds to rest while I demonstrate the next circuit. So you're gonna do a single leg RDL going straight into a curtsy lunge. So you're crossing your leg in the back. We're doing all on the same side, and then we're gonna switch to the other side. Starting 5 seconds with our left leg. 3, 2, 1. Kick your leg back. Then you're going straight into your curtsy. Try and keep your foot aligned with your toes. Your knee, again, aligned with your toes. This is gonna help protect your knees. 3, 2, 1, we switch. You might have a leg that feels a bit more unstable than the other one. You might be losing your balance a little bit. That's totally okay and normal. We always have one leg that's stronger, a bit more stable. That's why we're doing single leg exercises. 3, 2, 1. You have 20 seconds to rest, and then we are doing the same thing all over again. Three, 2, 1. Going back on the left side. Kick it back. Push it down across. Your leg at the back doesn't need to come super high. If you can just lift a little bit, you're already going to be feeling the work in your legs. 3, 2, 1, we switch. It's okay if you need to tap your other foot on the floor in between. Might help you with your balance. Three, 2, 1. We have one more round of these, and then we have our spicy finisher coming up that I'll explain just after. We are going back to our left side for the last time. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. RDLs are great to work on our balance, working our glute as well, but of course but really your balance is gonna help us in all of the other exercises we do. Switching to the right side. Better balance, especially if you're a beginner, is key to making just your whole training better. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, I am gonna show you what the finisher is. We are gonna do an inverted pyramid. The number you're starting with is 5. You're gonna do 5 jump squats to 5 alternating side lunges, and 5 jump lunges. 5. For 2 minutes, we're gonna be doing this. So you're doing the whole pyramid, and if you finish early, you're holding plank. All right, starting with 5. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, going back. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my last round, then I'm gonna hold a plank. All right, there is 40 seconds left. If you're done, you hold the plank. If you're not, you're finishing, then you get into it. We all finish together. No one is left behind. Come on, you got 15 seconds to go. Holding it until the end. Three, 2, 1. Woo! You made it to the end of the workout. Congrats, you did so good. We are just gonna stretch shortly now. You're gonna get on your back and we are gonna stretch our glute and our hip. Putting your legs into figure 4 and just holding it. Switch sides. That is it for today, guys. You crushed your first workout, and make sure you come back because we have so many other killer workouts coming up. So I'll see you guys in a bit. We are back with another workout. This one is an upper body workout. Get down, arm around you, and push. Followed by some regular push-ups and shoulder taps.